I'm Las Vegas car accident attorney Neil Schaus. I fight for victims of car crashes to get them compensation for their car repairs, their medical bills, their lost wages, and their pain and suffering. A lot of people ask me, do I really need a lawyer? Can I just negotiate with the insurance company by myself? The answer is that you can, but it's almost always a bad idea. Insurance companies have one goal in mind: to minimize the amount of money they pay out to you. A good lawyer who works up your case and goes to battle with the insurance company can almost always get you more money than you could get alone. Trust me, I know. I used to be a lawyer on behalf of the big insurance companies. I know how they operate, and I use this experience now to work the system and get the best results for my clients. If you hire Las Vegas Defense Group, this is what you can expect. Number one, we will investigate and help to show that the other party was at fault. Number two, we will help manage your medical treatment and gather all of the records to prove the full extent of your injuries. Number three, we will stand our ground with the insurance company and fight to get you the biggest recovery possible. Number four, you will have our cell phone numbers and you can reach us anytime you have a question or need help. And number five, you won't pay a penny out of pocket unless and until we win your case. If you or a loved one is a car crash victim here in Las Vegas, call me. My team and I are ready to go to work on your behalf.